Yes, sir. Taking a road trip from LA to San Francisco. It's a 7-hour drive. I'm gonna get some work done.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone. Cross my heart and break my bones.
Oh, fuck. I just knocked over here.
All right, out here with my man, Andy Harris. We got two 72-volt Sur Rons here in Berkeley, California. That lady was like, what the fuck?
Press the brake.
As is, $1,000. You know, it's got this little cosmetic shit. What the fuck do I care?
That's pretty cool. Is it on? And it goes like 90.
It goes 90?
Yeah, dude, it'll do 90. It'll do 300 miles.
To a charge?
But yeah, to a charge.
Wow! Could we take it for a spin on the block? Oh my god.
Just remember, this is the only brake. Correct.
Oh my god, this thing is so big. Yo, this is a vibe. Holy shit. Vintage Stang with the rims.
Off the couches anymore.
Yo, knock the light over again just for the video. Alright, so we had a late night last night, so I slept over. We are back out here. Alright, Andy, what's the move?
Going to Vince's, gonna grab some food. We're gonna do some great footage today. Yo, Vince, how's it going?
What's up? I'm Vince, nice to meet you.
Should we go inside? Let's go inside.
Yeah, sure.
Buy an airplane. Get the fuck out of this country. Fucking guy, he does prank. Right? I go, damn, I want one of those. They don't know what the fuck they're talking about.
You know how
I go, oh, I
Apple
want this color. I go, oh, I don't really know.
Alright, man. Have a good day, man. Have a good shoot.
Fuck yeah. Yo, we got sandwiches, baby. Hold up. Yes, sir. We got some sandwiches. Alright, we got Aaron, me, Andy. Andy, what are we doing?
We're cruising around. We're gonna get some nice shots. We got the drones out, you know?
Look at this view. Got the FPV drone right here.
Alright. And we are going.
We got the drones out. How's the Mavic looking there, big guy? Yeah.
Check it. Watch this. Watch this. So I'm gonna drop it down.
Alright, so we got Aaron and Andy there controlling two different drones. And then I'm gonna come up this road wheeling in. Should be a pretty sick shot.
Alright, ready?
So many times I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault. It's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas bless up on my heart on my sleeve. Bruh. Bruh. 'Cause I can't breathe.
Drone down. Drone down. Oh, wait, turn the propellers off.
It's my fault. Thanks. It was a great shot though. I need to just swap the battery out real quick.
Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on this, heart on this, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on this, heart on nice, getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on this, heart on nice, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on nice, getting the best of me.
Alright, driving back to LA. Topped 4 bean burritos, you know the vibes. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.